Alright, simple gas pedal for you guys here. Just a little door hinge. You can just take whatever piece of metal you want. I just put a diamond plate on there. It's okay. I have to put a stopper, whatever you call it, so it doesn't come back all the way here. And I also have to put a spring, so it also comes back easier. So this is how I rigged it up. So choke cable from a governor of a mower engine. Like over here. Think off of that, or off of that. So that's been looped around here to that hole. This was added by a bolt. It goes just enough to where it stops and where the throttle opens all the way. So choke cable bent, and then bent around this throttle cable. Throttle cable held down by zip ties, pretty good. Route it through the frame. Comes out through here. Open the hood. Down here, held on by more zip ties. I took one of these things here. I don't know if you can see it. That, I looped that in there, crimped it down as hard as I could. Took another choke cable, fed it through there, and then took a spring, looped and wrapped it around that. I used two because that one wasn't long enough. And yeah, it works like a charm. I also have a choke throttle. That's choke and that's open. Yeah, it's simple gas pedal.